Hey everybody, John here. Today I'm going to be unboxing this personal hair trimmer for men and women. It's waterproof, it's rechargeable, so let's open it up and see what's inside the box. Nothing in there. Nope. All right, so right here we've got a must-read tips before using, which is very convenient. You've got this is called a groin trimmer, but it is supposed to be an all-over body and hair trimmer, not just for personal areas. It does come with a cleaning brush. It comes with a dock, a recharging dock, so you can plug it in and charge your unit because it is rechargeable. Comes with the USB-C to USB-A charge cable. Comes with a little bit of oil for oiling the blades. Keep things moving along. It comes with a beard guard, so if you're looking to trim certain areas but you don't want them to be completely bald, you can slap on the guard. And then comes with the trimmer. This one is gray, it looks like. There we go. All right. So this is what it looks like. This is the trimmer. It's very small. If you look at in the palm of my hand, it's really not a huge trimmer. This is very small and looks to be like it would be very easy to stick in a duffel or a suitcase to take with you on the road. It does come with a little bit of power. Oh, and it's got this cool light to help you see. You can see the light on my hand. But yeah, that's everything that comes in the box for this trimmer.